Today I would like to do a review on my 2023 Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck. This truck is diesel with Dormax engine, 3.0 liter. The price tag on this truck is $67,265. That's before taxes and fees. With the gas prices so high, the diesel is the best choice to go with. This is the truck from the outside, how it looks. It is very roomy truck. It's a lot of room in this truck. This truck has the touch button for the tailgate. Also, you can open it and close it from inside. Very roomy. It has a fold mirrors with a spotlight on them when you park, and when you start the truck it will open by themselves. Gonna go inside. This truck has 13.40 entertainment system, which is really big, a huge screen. And it has also information screen. It's the information screen. This truck has all the safety feature you can think of. It has also the 360 cameras view. While you're driving, you can see everything under the truck, above the truck, in front of you, the trailer too. It's really great features. The cameras make you see everything around. The good thing about this truck is really the fuel economy. This is the information screen, and I just would like to show you. This is the fuel economy. As you see, give me on the highway 34 miles per gallon, and in the city I guess I got like 19 miles per gallon, which is really great. The inside of the truck is all leather with some real wood. Glove compartments, has 2 glove compartments and one here on the bottom. It has the little shifter, and it has also the Bose sound system, which is the best. As I said, the great thing about this truck is the fuel economy, and it is really very roomy. A lot of storage in this truck. As I said, this truck is very roomy with a lot of storage. I have storage under the seat. You can put a lot of stuff under the back seat. Also it have storage behind the seat. This one, and both seats also in the back there is a storage. You can put a lot of stuff. Of course, all leather. It come with all wireless stuff, heated seat and vented seat back and front.